Hello my friends, it's me again, Alex, your friendly photograph neighborhood hooded photographer of the hood, friendly neighborhood photographer, and this time I'm in Brüsti, Seilbahn Brüsti. That is a small station in the midst of the Swiss Alps, and it is an amazing place. If you look around, let me just quickly turn the camera for you. You can see that there are amazing mountains everywhere. Let me focus a little bit. Let's see if it gets sharp, huh? Wow, look at that. Snow everywhere. Some people skiing, some people sledging. Somebody drew some male genitalia in the snow there. Anyhow. And that is a station there, as you can see, and I'm going to do a little walk. I got some snowshoes actually. Let me show you the kind of stuff I'm here. Hey, there you go, my snowshoes. Whee! That is very good stuff, especially if you walk around in this kind of deep snow I'm in. Although currently I'm on a track. There is a little sledging track here, and just besides that track I'm going to start my walk. So yeah, it's supposed to be a 2.5 hours walk. We're going to see how much time it takes, especially since I want to do some drone flying as well. I will actually do a little bit of flying and also take some photos, because I mean this whole area here, this whole site, the sun is shining, no cloud in the sky, it's just, well, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna walk up further and see if I can find some nice spot. See you there. It's actually kind of getting warm here, huh? The sun is shining. I got my winter jacket on. It seems I overdid it a little bit. Anyhow, I just took a little rest. And there's one thing I wanted to tell you, huh? I mean, if you ever come to Switzerland and you want to do some kind of, trip anywhere in the mountains, make sure you arrive early, because the parking spots, they are rare, like how you say it in German, white ravens, huh? you gotta be early, because I was there shortly after 9 and I managed to get the very last parking spot, the very last one. Everything else was taken. Wow, so I got lucky, because the other parking areas would have been very far away. So the cool thing is that this is like a little village here. You have a couple of small houses with tons of snow on them. I mean, down there in the snow, that's a swing, huh? In the middle of the screen, you must see it there. And it's like buried half in snow, so it must be at least 1 meter of snow, if not more. And there is a hotel and everything, and a couple of people, and they're skiing here, and they're sledging there, and they're having fun in the sun. It's amazing. I really love places like this. Yeah. Look at that gorgeous view. Look at that. Oh, man. Those mountains, ooh, those ridges, they are dangerous. But on top of that little ridge in the middle there, seems to be a little cross. Somebody must have built it there, huh? It's a custom here. Kind of, most of the peaks you see a cross. Nevertheless, that's not the highest peak, so I don't even know why the cross is there. Actually, it's supposed to be up there somewhere. But maybe there is something, we just don't see it right now. Anyhow, there is one more thing I wanted to show you right now. I don't know if you have ever actually used snowshoes, huh? If you've walked around in these thingies. I mean, it's pretty cool, because it makes it so much easier to walk around in terrain like this, where I am right now. But then if you're also going up on some steep hill, you might wanna, there is a little metal thingy at the bottom of those things, just below your shoes, which you can kind of put up, and then it's much easier to walk. Let me show you that quickly. That stuff. So if you put this up completely, like this, huh? It just holds up your feet a little bit. Maybe you can see it here. Huh? And that makes it so much easier to walk. Man, that's a delight. It's actually a game changer if you ever go snow walking. I'm gonna get going that way up, see where the way leads, and hopefully I can fly the drone, because if there are paragliders here, I must be cautious, but we'll see. Anyhow, there are no restrictions. I specifically checked the drone map for a location where I can go hiking, where I can actually fly. So let's see about that. Hello my friends, I just had a little lunch break. Now I'm on my way in this little valley here, which has the most gorgeous view around. There are a lot of people skiing on the other side of the valley, but here it's quite, well, it's very, Nothing is happening here. There's not even a single person around. There are a couple of people coming down the mountain on the other side. I don't even know if you can see them. They are that far away. Anyhow, there are 3 people just walking down the hill. And then look around. Wow! Gorgeous. The snow is amazing. Ooh, there's another 2 people. But far, far away. Anyhow, that's the direction I came from. I flew the drone a little bit. It was very nice because there was this little creek as well. And that little creek was covered under like, I don't know, 2 meters of snow or so. I did a couple of shots there because it looked just very, very nice. I mean, imagine this, huh? If you look at here, it's like 2 meters snow I'm walking on. It's completely surreal just because at home, like 100 kilometers to the north in Basel, there's nothing. There wasn't even a single a day of actual snowing there. So this one here is actual winter and I really, really like it. So now I'm gonna be on my way home, I believe. I think I'm gonna take another cup of coffee or so, and then well, hopefully you liked the video. If so, please do give us well, me a like or subscribe, or if you're anywhere near Switzerland, you know, you can just ring me or drop me a message, and then next time we go hiking together, if you have some time, enjoy, feel free, enjoy life. Greetings from Alex in Switzerland, and see you in the next video.
Creatures of my dreams.